Okay, so today we're going to do chapter 1 and chapter 2. I'll guide you. So for our course, as we have 14 chapters. We want to close here. Admit. Yeah. So we have 14 chapters. The first 4 chapters, it's related to PC engineering. Then we'll do a bit of networking, chapter 5 and chapter 6, a bit of networking. We'll touch a bit of company assets. What is a laptop? What are the components inside? What is a printer? How it works? Mobile devices. Then virtualization, cloud computing. Windows installation, configuration, coefficient is straightforward. A bit of security. Then some advices for IT professional. So let's jump in. I'm going to use the PowerPoint to guide you. So before I use the PowerPoint, I'll give you the big picture of chapter 1. So in chapter 1, we'll do the introduction of a computer. After that, a bit of safety. And you have a video. Please watch it many times. It's very helpful. Then the PC component, as you know, the case, the motherboard, the CPU and cooling system, the memory, you see, adapter and extension, hard drive. So all these parts are very, very important for a PC. So it's very good for you guys to know and to understand. I'm a bit lost in my yeah. And also some optical storage devices, ports, cables, and adapter. Why it's important? If you work in a company and you're responsible for the IT asset, to set up so that if someone has a problem, you know where to go. And you also learn about input devices. So this course, it's long. So we don't need you to memorize like at school. No. You just read one, twice. You can take some notes and some summaries yourself. You do a quiz, that's all. Because after these 3 months, as you know, the course is still open for 6 months, you can still come back and read again and study. You'll also learn about output devices. And if you have a PC and you need to remove it, we don't do that anymore. In 20 years back, yes, we had to build the PCs. Like in chapter 2, how to build a PC. 20 years ago, yes. Nowadays, we don't do that anymore. You buy, everything's ready, plug and play, done. So this chapter 2 is just to give you an idea what happened in the old days. And if one day you want to build a powerful PC, these are some guidelines. So these are some topics you will learn in chapter 1. And I think this one I did send you in the WhatsApp group already. So it's good to have a big picture so that if you want to make your summary, you know the different sections you see. One second. Okay, so let's jump in quick. So as I said, no need to memorize, just to have an idea. And you take some notes and you make your own summary. Introduction to computer hardware. So what are we going to see here? So what after this course, you should know how to keep personal computer components safe, explain the components, and what. Okay, what is the PC component? You should be able to explain what is a CPU, a memory, what do they do. Everything is NetAccount. Take your time to read, take some notes, do your quiz, watch your videos. And anytime you have issues you don't understand, post in the WhatsApp group will help you. Who want to log? Personal computer. And you have a video where there is a guy who will show you all the different parts of a PC, the components and all these things. So it's very, very important to watch that. If you have a PC, like we said last time, you have a power supply to bring power in the PC. Never remove the power supply on a PC. You must give it to a technician to do that because there are high voltage electricity inside. If you don't know how to do, that can hurt you. So never, never, never remove. There are some ways to do that, or else give to a technician to help you. Okay, always you don't need that. PC component, the case, last time we did study the case. Anytime also you have a questions, as you know, unmute yourself, greet everyone, tell us your name, and ask a question. We did check with different type of PC cases, with different type of power supply that can go to each case. For example, if you have this one, this PC, the horizontal case, the power supply inside is different from all-in-one, you see. So depending on the case, you have a type of power supply that can fit in. So computer use a power supply to convert power into a lower voltage. Connected. So from that power supply, you need to bring power to all the components of your PC. So you'll get some cabling inside. Some of them are called connectors. So we'll use it to connect, to bring power to a part of the PC. So this is the motherboard. Let me allow someone to log in. Okay, also let me check if I have the big picture of the CCNA that we did last time. Yes. So this one is very, very, very clear and nice. So this is an example of a motherboard. So that blue thing under, sometimes it's green, sometimes it's blue. Why we say mother? Because a mother has a lot of kids. So it's going to get a lot of components. That's why I say the motherboard. So the white part, we call them the PCI slots. So for example, if you want to watch TV from your PC, you buy a TV card. You come and you plug it here for you to watch TV. If you want to connect your mouse, how to make it bigger here? No, that's that. Always port half of the mouse, you see connectors. For example, you have a mouse, a keyboard, a printer, you see a network cable, your audio to listen to music. You have some port. So you see the motherboard also has all these equipment to connect your stuff. You also have a battery, so that if you power off your PC and you power on again, the time will stay so with time will continue. Because normally if you switch off your PC, with time your time will also go off this one. You see? So this time here, so what is it? Yeah. You see, the time here normally goes off. So it's still on, and the good time, the good date, because of a battery inside, a battery that keeps the time on, even if the PC is off. So the CMOS, you must know that. So every part here, please, you must know them, not by heart, but have an idea. So that if you have, it's the same thing for a cell phone, exactly the same thing. The cell phone, everything is very small, but for a PC, it's bigger. It's exactly the same thing. A battery to keep the time on. AGP slot, this one for a video card. Let's say you want to play games on your PC. You buy a video card, and you plug it so that you get good quality of everything. Okay, one sec. I want to take a call. There is someone who's struggling to log on. Okay, we continue. One sec. There is someone who's struggling to connect. So I was trying to help. Wait. What is my picture? Yeah. So my picture is here. Where is that student name? So please connect at least 10 minutes before, so that if it's going to disturb us all the time. Okay, so if you have a motherboard, you must know all these things. This is the brain of the PC, where all calculation, where the PC thinks to calculate, to do whatever you need to do. It's called the CPU. So you should know what a CPU stands for. Central Processing Unit. So you buy it, you plug it, and there is a fan to cool down. It gets hot quickly. So these are some components of your motherboard that you should know. So you see, this part, it was to connect with the power. So remember the power. These ones to bring the power to the motherboard and some component. So these guys, you plug them. Yeah, here. See 20 pin 80X power connect. So in EtherCAD also they show you some pictures, and in the video I think the guy also tried to do that. So the day we meet at Scalabrini, I'll bring a motherboard, a physical one, so that you can see exactly all these components. So study first, so that when I show you, say, okay, this is what I was studying, this is what I was learning about. So the main part of a PC, we have a CPU, the brain of someone want to connect, but that person is connected already. The brain. After the brain, who is that again? Please connect. After the brain, you also need, so here, I think we miss, you have the memory, the RAM, the eyes of the PC. So this one, the RAM, is to display and for you to see something on your screen. If you don't put a RAM here, you won't see anything on your screen. Your screen will be black or dark, you see. So if someone say, I cannot see anything on my screen, first thing first, check the cabling. If all the cables are well connected, then, and still the user cannot see anything, you tell yourself, it might be a problem with the RAM. So you can do some research. Normally in MetaCAD, it's there. Computer RAM. And you go to image. And yes, so these are these RAMs. You buy them and you plug. There are many types. RAM is what? Random access memory. You go for job interview, we're going to ask you, what is RAM stand for? And you must say RAM stand for random access memory. You can also go to YouTube. YouTube, you got computer RAM. And you see, we have some nice. Yeah, so you can also do some research, but normally everything is in NetACAD. But from time to time, you can do some research. So if you want to clean, for example, yeah, so you also have some stuff around. Okay, anyway, we continue. So the motherboard, you should know what a motherboard is. Sometimes the color is green, sometimes blue, depending on the manufacturer. And the different part, the different section of your motherboard. The CPU, the RAM to view, and other stuff for you to know. The expansion slot for TV card or Wi-Fi card or graphical card to play games. And the system that will make your motherboard works is called the BIOS. So it's a program that is that is located in a small device for everything to work. We call it the BIOS. It's like a SIM card. You put it in here. So this one you cannot touch it. It's from the manufacturer. So it's like a car. When you buy a car, Nissan, for example, we say, okay, this is how to use the car. Don't change anything in the engine, for example, because all the electronic stuff to monitor everything, you put it there. If you touch it, you break it, you won't be able to use it anymore. So the BIOS is very important, basic input-output system. If you don't know what something stands for, Google it or go to YouTube. What is BIOS? What is what? But normally in NetAcad, they do explain everything. So BIOS, as you see, basic input-output system. So it's a system to how your mouse will work, your keyboard, anything will work. So it's a program that is inside to allow everything to work. In the old days, we call it BIOS, but nowadays, the new version is called UEFI. I'll show you some example of BIOS program. If you go to, you can tap here BIOS. So I'll show you the day we meet at Scalabrini. I'll also show you. So we see, for example, here, it's located somewhere. So on your PC, on your motherboard, sometimes it's, so it's a program, don't touch it. If you touch it, you won't be able to use your motherboard. You won't be able to use your PC. Because the program to make your PC work is here. And yeah, you can be curious, do some research, but normally everything is a learning program. So if you want to make some changes in your PC, you can go there and make your change. You don't come here. So when your PC will boot up, you press F12 or F2, then it will bring you a screen. It will bring you a screen. You see, sometimes you press F2 or F12 or F10, it depends on the PC. Then it will bring you a screen where you can change whatever you want to change. Let me. It's this one. Let me, yeah, show this one. Yeah, for example, if you want to, there is not a good picture. What is the big picture? Yes. So if you want to make some changes, so I'll show you the day we go to Scalabrini. You press F12 and, for example, you want to change the time, you can change the system time here. Or you want to change anything you want to change in the system, and you come here and you make your change, you save it. So we'll check that also a bit later. So all of these components, you must know at least 3 or 4. What USB stands for? Universal Serial Bus. So we know a USB port. SATA, it's a type of hard drive. Hard drive. In the old days, so a hard drive is what is a device that where you can save all your documents. If I go to, I come here, I type PC hard drive, PC hard drive. You see, normally, so in the old days it was big, but nowadays it's small. So we have different type of hard drive. It depends on the motherboard you're using. If it's a laptop, it's a small one. If it's a big PC, it's also big. So it's where, when you save your document, they come here. If you install your Windows, all your files comes here. So they will teach you the different type of hard drive. For example, you can type SATA, SETA. It's smaller and faster. It's only the name that is changing. So guys, if you have a PC, you should know what is inside. First thing first, inside we have the motherboard. And on that motherboard, we have different parts. You should know each part and what they do. See? Okay, so here to the same thing with different parts. You have your RAM, the section, the CPU, and all these. So you should know that. Not to memorize like high school or primary school, but at least to read it to have an idea. So we have different type of motherboard. It depends on the box, on the case that you have. And then the CPU, the brain of the PC. If you don't have a CPU, nothing will work. So it's here all the brain, everything is. So you buy it and you plug it inside here. And also there is a fan to cool down because it thinks too much, it becomes hot. So there is a fan. Cooling system, you have many type of cooling system fans. It can be something like that. Or the memory also, their job, their work, they display something on your screen. If you're broken, your screen will be black or dark, or you won't see anything. So we have also different type of RAM, and we'll explain to you the different type of RAMs. Type of ROM. So we have RAM and ROM. RAM is what? Random access memory. If power goes off, your PC goes off. But the ROM, it's also something like that, a memory. This one will never go off because it's where the program of the PC is. It won't go off because of the battery. So the battery will give power for your time and also to keep the ROM on. So if you go for a job interview, we ask you what's the difference between ROM and RAM, you should be able to explain. First thing first, they stand for read-only memory, and RAM is ROM power. The ESCOM is not happy. This guy is still on. Your PC is off, but it's still on. The RAM, they display something on your screen. If ESCOM is not happy, it goes off, your PC goes off. And we have different type of ROM. You don't need to memorize it, you just read many times, that's all. We have different of ROM, we have different of RAMs. So why it's important? The bigger the RAM is, the more freedom you can work on your PC. You can watch many videos, but if your RAM is very small and you want to watch a movie, it goes slowly, you see. So the RAM is very important. And these are also some modules that you can add. They are similar to the RAM. It's other type of RAM. So we have many things in your PC, and the adapter cards. So remember, I did explain to you. So here we have a sound card. So in the old days, we had to build our PCs because we didn't have a lot of manufacturers like today. You can go to a shop and buy. No, in the old days, you buy a component, you build your PC. So if you want to have some sound on your PC, you buy this card. If you want to have network, you build this, you buy this. If you want to have whatever you want, a graphic card, you buy them. See TV. Let me allow this guy, this student to log on. And yeah, we are here. Come here. Okay. So it's very, very important. In the old days, we didn't have DSTV. So to watch TV on your PC, you buy a card, a TV card. A TV card you plug. Where you plug it, I'm going to show you again. The expansion slot, what is it? Yeah, PCI adapter slot. You plug them somewhere here. You see. So if I go to the picture I send you in WhatsApp, you see this white stuff. You buy your network card, you plug it. You buy your TV card, your wireless card, your what card, you plug them here, so that you will be able to do that. So the picture I sent to you in WhatsApp group, please check again. It's very important. We continue. So we type of storage, storage devices. Okay, CD-ROM, and nowadays I don't think that we still have CD-ROM around. DVD-ROM, CD-ROM, I don't think that we have them anymore. I'll give you what is most important. The new type of hard drive, we call them SSD, mostly for laptops. They are very small and very powerful. What else is important for you? DVD drive. I don't think that we have DVD drive anymore. Now the port. If you want to display something on your screen, we have different ports. We can have DVI. We can have display port. So all this cabling, the day we meet at Scalabrini, I'll bring them. Like here, I'll bring all these cables so that you can touch them, you can see them. I can ask some people to connect, like here, I show you. Then I can ask you to connect. You must choose the correct cable. So it's very important to, first thing first, to understand, so that the day we meet, you know. So if you want to connect your PC to your monitor, we have different type of cable, to your monitor to view video, and to view something on you have DVI cable, we have display port, HDMI, and all this stuff. In the old days, and we were using these ones 20 years ago. Now we went to VGA. Now we want to so nowadays the one that is faster is HDMI, because with this one, high density multimedia interface, high definition multimedia interface. With this cable, you can watch videos, listen to music, everything. But these ones, no. You need to do to buy other stuff. So video cables, to connect your PC to your monitor, there are different type of cables and some port. So in NetAcad, we'll explain each of them, but it's good. If you see VGA, you should know what it stands for. If you see RCA, what is it? Radio Corporation of America. I think the white was for the audio, and the other one was for video in the old days, and 20 or 25%. The new ones we use DVI, display, HDMI, and sometimes. In the old days, for keyboard and mouse, we use PS2. The hard drive in the old days, it was this. So all these, I'll bring them so that we can have a look. I'll show you what is the most important. Anything else you can just read by yourself. Output devices, a printer. We say output because you can print something outside your laptop. Okay, all these things you can. I'll show you what is the most important. Printers, very important in a company. We need to print document. So we have many type of printers. We can connect a printer directly to your laptop or to your PC. Or you can get a network printer or a cloud-based printer. There is a chapter for printer. So we'll get, we'll reach there. There is a chapter for printer. Let me come here. Yes. There is a chapter for printer. Yeah, chapter 8, printer. So I'll bring a printer, we'll play around with. So all these equipment are costly. I need to purchase, they're very expensive. What else you can know? Speakers and headphones. Okay, this one. Now, if you want to disassemble your PC, you want to remove everything, there is a nice video where they explain, they show you how to do. We also this video. So the first one was this one is the technician toolkit. Technician toolkit. You can type the technician IT technician toolkit. Yeah, so it's something like that, where you have all your equipment you need to build your PC or to disable to remove all your components on your PC. So these ones we use them a lot as network engineers or IT technicians. In case you need to fix something inside your PC, we use all of these. So we have some nice videos which you can watch. How to power off, how to remove the case, the screw, the hard drive, and everything, how to remove the RAM. There is a video. So that's all for this chapter 1. It's about component. Yes, we can hear you. What's your name and what is your question? Okay, so that's for chapter 1. Please study. You have a lot to. For chapter 2, do you have a question? Fatu might have a question. What is this one? People are using.
Hello, Mr. Max.
Yes, question.
Yes, I have a question. It's about random. Yeah, random, not RAM. It's random. ROM.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. So.
Mr. Max, do you get me?
Yeah, Fatuma, we can hear you. Yes,
Mr. I'm not getting you at all. The network is on and off. I'm not getting you at all.
Is also a memory for the PC, and that one is stays like.
No, it's your device. It can be your cell phone or your laptop, because everything is okay for everyone. So please check your connection. If your internet connection is not stable, yeah, you'll have these issues. So make sure you have a stable internet connection. Yeah, Rom, yes, Alioni?
Yes. Like, I don't know if I get it well. You say the RAM, when the power is off and the RAM also is off. And when it's about the ROM, when the power is off, the ROM still on.
Yes.
What? I don't know. Wow. How can I do? it's like when I was reading and it's off, everything's off. When I'm coming back on my PC, I'll find the same page where I was. Oh, is that something like that?
No, for a laptop, the laptop behaves differently from a PC, a personal computer.
PC,
a
yes.
laptop, yeah, a laptop, even if there is no ESCOM, there is a battery, you can still work. But a PC, it will go off. The RAM will go off. You will see, yeah. But the ROM is a program. It's a kind of memory that will never goes off because we have the CMOS. You see that battery?
Okay.
That battery will keep feeding the ROM. We're still giving electricity to the ROM to be on.
Okay.
Yeah. That's why the ROM never go off, because of this guy.
So, like you say, if we're going to interview and they ask us why is that ROM doesn't going off?
Yeah.
So how are we going to respond? Like
then you know the answer. That's the answer I explained to you.
The answer is just okay.
It doesn't go off because it gets power from the battery. Okay. Yeah, this battery, that's why we have a battery. And the purpose of a battery is to keep the system time on, even if the PC is off, and also to keep the ROM on. So that the system is still there. You cannot see anything on your monitor, but inside, things are still moving.
Okay, I see. Thank you.
Merci, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, and now quickly, chapter 2. Chapter 2, it's straightforward. We don't do that anymore. We don't build pieces anymore. Well, it was 20 years ago at our time. Nowadays, everything is all in one. That's all. But in the old days, we had to buy components. Like if you want to build a house, you start from scratch. The foundation, the wall, anything. So in the old days, we used to do that. So here, we just give you some videos to let you know how it was done before. Nowadays, we don't do that. You buy your PC, it comes with a warranty. If there is a problem, you call the technician, he comes and fix for you for free. So here, it's only some few videos just to give you an idea in the old days how it was working. So you have a video here. Install the power supply, and yeah. So anything you see here, it's from the video. We show you how to do that. In this video, we'll show you how to put the CPU. What CPU stands for?
Central Processing Unit.
Okay, very good. And what is the purpose of a CPU? Why do we need the CPU in a PC?
In order for other software applications to work on a PC or on a computer.
Okay, good. What else? So anything to work on the PC, we need the CPU. It's the brain or the heart.
Yeah, you say it's the brain.
Yeah, the brain, yes.
Yes.
So they'll show you in this video how to insert. So in EtherCAD, please watch it many times. It's the same thing. In this video also, we'll show you how to install the RAM. What RAM stands for?
Random access memory.
Very good. And why it's important in a PC?
It's important because it helps to store temporary data on a computer.
Okay. And also it allows us to view something on the screen. If you don't see anything on your screen, you check first your cables. Is everything well connected? If yes, and still there is nothing on the screen, it means you have an issue with your RAM. then you go fix. So you remove and plug it in. So in this video, we'll show you how to do that. In this video, install the motherboard. In this video, with demonstration about it. So this chapter 2 is just to show you in the old days how we had to build a PC. Nowadays, we don't do that anymore. Who is that? Okay, so motherboards, if you want to buy a motherboard, make sure you need what you want. The CPU, the RAM. We have some weak power motherboard and we have powerful motherboard. So make sure you choose the specs, what you like, what you want. Select the CPU and the cooling. We have different type of CPUs and the cooling, the system to cool down. We have Intel, it's a big company to produce CPUs, and also AMD. For example, if I go to my PC and I type PC name, via PC name, I come here, and so you can see RAM. Install RAM, and you can see the processor, central processor unit, the RAM, the CPU. We have some CPU that are faster, some of them are slower. We have i3, they are less powerful. We have i5, more powerful. We have i7, extremely powerful. So the more powerful it is, the more expensive it is. So when you want to buy a PC, make sure that the specs you want are there. So CPU, here it's only CPU, the RAM. So here, also in the videos, they show you some example of RAM, ROM, and how to buy them and how to install. So that's all for chapter 2. So chapter 2, I'm not going to spend much time. It's only about videos. You just watch them, that's all. Video, if you want to watch TV on your, you buy a TV card, or a network card, or a Wi-Fi card. So in these videos, we explain and we show you. We do some demo, so it's good to view and to check them.
Hello, Mr. Mark.
Yes.
I have a question. I don't know if you mentioned it, I didn't hear it, but I want to know, like, you go, like, they present you the PC, and if you want to know how many is the memory RAM, how are we to find out if this one maybe is 3 or 7 or 5?
Yeah. Okay, that's a very good question. So if you have a PC, the PC will say it supports. I'm going to show an example. My laptop, for example. Dell command update. I'm going to check here. I'm going to check. So this is my Dell. My Dell is 5540. So I'm going to check the specs, the specification, 5540. So I come here. I come Dell 5540 specs. These guys will give me. So it's not a visual. Okay. So anyway, features. When you have a device, we'll tell you, okay, this PC or this motherboard can support, for example, 3 RAM. then yourself, you know that if you want 10 RAM, you cannot buy that motherboard. After that, we're going to tell you it supports a RAM that is 1 kg.
Okay.
If you go and you go to a shop and you want to buy a RAM that is 2 kg, it won't fit on your motherboard. So when you go buy, if you go to take a lot, and you want to buy a RAM. So if you want to buy a RAM, there are some specs there. So you see here, 16 gig DDR and all this stuff. It's explained on your. So normally you cannot see it like that. If you want to view what, you come here to a PC, you tap PC, view your PC name, you come here and you can see here. This RAM is 16 gig. But if you have a PC, you can maybe remove it and check. You can see that it's written there. Yeah, you see 8 gig, 8 gig. So if you buy 2 and you put in your motherboard, 8 plus 8 is 16. So
okay.
to view the RAM, you can remove it. You go to your PC, you remove it written. Else you tap PC name and you can view your stuff.
Okay, sorry again. I want to ask.
Yes.
About interview. Let's say you go to the interview, they give you just the PC that they didn't even open it. Then they ask you to find out how the memory card, the RAM, how many is RAM there, how are we going to do it?
Okay, so if you can't open to remove and view, then you have to come here. There is no way to guess. You tap PC, the PC name, and you come here, install RAM. Or you can also tap system information. You click on system information, and you'll see somewhere system type, manufacturers is the Dell. We tap off Dell, the processor, you see the CPU, you see the CPU, you see the BIOS version. So if you tap system, you'll get a lot of information.
Okay.
Physical memory, total memory, but this one is a 16 gig RAM. See RAM, 16 gig. So anything you want, you can tap system and you can view them here. And you can play around. So from your laptop or from your PC, if you have a PC at home or a laptop, just tap system and you can check around.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other questions? So chapter 2, it's only some videos, and we don't do that anymore unless someone hire you to become an IT technician to fix, then we'll train you again.
Hello, teacher.
Yes. Yes, question?
Yes. Hello, everyone. My name is Rebecca. So I have a question, teacher. Please, I wanted to ask if your screen is not working, is it only RAM or there is another problem? If you have a screen problem, is it only RAM or maybe there is also other maybe detection we can detect from that pan? I don't know.
So the RAM, it's only the display on your PC. It's only the display. And can you please ask again your question? I didn't hear you properly. So anything related to the display on your laptop or PC, it's the RAM. Anything else, you need to troubleshoot. Troubleshoot means you need to find out how. I think we have a chapter for troubleshooting where we show you how to do these things. Video summary. Troubleshooting, chapter 4. We try to explain if something doesn't work, where to go look for that. So for your car, when you go to a mechanic, you explain to him, or you go to a medical doctor, the GP, you explain, doctor, I have this. then he will know where to go. So depending on your problem, so if it is sound, you cannot hear any sound, you go to the sound system. You can come here sound, or you can tap here sound, sound recorder, sound mixer, or what. And yeah, so there are many, depending on the issue we have. But the day we meet at Scalabrini, you can, if you have issues or something that not working, you can bring it, and together we can have a look together. So here I'll open a box, a PC, and you will see all the components. The power supply is here, the fan for the CPU, the motherboard is under there. I'll also bring a motherboard, a clean one, so that you can view. Okay, guys, that's all for chapter 2. So please watch the videos many times. All your exams are activated. You can do it. You can do them many times. You can do them many times, and yeah. Summary. So for this week, so next week, so next Tuesday, we'll do chapter 3 and chapter 4. Advanced computer hardware, it's the same thing. And if you need to fix a PC or some problems, we'll guide you. When we are done with PC engineering or the component of a PC, we'll start doing a bit of computer networking, a bit introduction. It's very, very important. It's like a chapter 1 for CCNA. It's going to introduce you to a CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate. So we do a bit of networking. The following week, we do a bit of IT asset. And so it's a very good course. It's a very good course. Okay, guys, thank you very much for today. At least we did only 1 hour. So we'll meet again on next week, Tuesday. If you have some questions, post in the WhatsApp group. We'll help each other. And don't forget to do your chapter exams. I wish you a very good night. But before we go, how do you call it again? The register. No, not this one. I have so many things. I need to clean up my stuff. Okay, so please tell me your name and where you are. And your number. Sorry.
Number 5. Number 5, AK Sadan.
Where?
Number 5.
5.
Yes.
Hi, teacher. Number 40.
Number 10.
Number Rebecca.
Number 10, Bernard.
Number 40.
Okay, so number 10 first.
Bernard.
Wait. So number 10, and who else?
Number 5.
Number 17.
17.
Yes, Musa.
Musa, okay.
Number 5.
Thank you.
Number 5, Denny. Okay.
Number 25.
25, Rose.
Yes.
How are you, Rose? Are you starting well?
Yes, very well.
Very good. Excellent.
Number 20, Ben.
Number 20 is Ben. How are you, Ben? All good?
Yeah, fine.
Number
Okay.
40, Meta Mamba Rebecca.
Rebecca, where?
Number 40.
14.
I think 40 or 41 something. No, 40. 0.
Yeah.
Number 49.
Rebecca.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Number 23. 23.
Number 49.
23,
Nata
Yasmin.
Yasmin.
How are
Yeah.
Yasmin? All good?
I'm good. Everything is okay, Mr.
Great.
Max. Thank you.
Great.
Number 41.
Number 49.
41 is Leonie, and
Yes.
49 is Chris.
Yes.
How are you, Chris?
Yes,
All
boss.
good?
I'm fine, and you?
Excellent, good. Thank you.
33,
Yes.
boss. Joshua.
Joshua.
33.
33. Okay. 33. Joshua. Okay. Are you well, Joshua?
Number 32.
Yes, yes.
Okay, 32. From time to time, I'll call you maybe once a month to check on you. How are you? How do you find the course? And to encourage you. So from time to time, I'll call you to say hi. That's all. Nothing else.
Not a problem.
Okay.
Number 50.
50.
Yeah.
Ruth.
Yes.
Okay. Are you well?
Yes, I'm good.
Okay.
Number 30.
30. Edmore.
Yes.
This one, this is my brother from another man.
Yeah,
How are you, Edmore? All good.
I'm very well. How are you, sir?
Excellent.
Can I also have number 18, please, for David?
18. David. Yeah, David. How are you, my
Number
brother?
32.
I'm
Number
good,
32.
sir.
Yeah, which number?
Number 32.
32. Gautier. Mr. Gautier, how's life? All good?
I'm well, thank you. How are you?
Fine. Are you from Niger? Your accent looks like Niger.
Really?
Yeah, you're from where?
I'm from United States of America.
Wow. With Mr. Trump, President Trump. Yes, who else?
That's
Who else?
man.
Okay. Who else?
Number 4.
Number 4.
Yes.
Magali. Okay. Kalonda. Who else?
Number
36. Halima, I think I'm number. Can you scroll up? I think it's 47 or 48. Halima Abdul.
Halima Abdul, yes.
47. Yes.
47, yeah.
Number 36.
36, Danielle.
Yeah.
Are you well, Danielle?
Yeah, I'm well.
Great.
28,
Else?
Mr. Max.
28?
28.
28. 28 is Ali.
Yes.
I like your name because I have a friend, his name is Ali, usually Ali. So I like your name, Ali. It sounds very nice.
Thank you, Mr. Max.
Okay, welcome. Who else?
Number 52.
52. Wow. Coco.
Yes, my phone is even off.
Okay, sorry.
Yes, sir.
All good by your side, then? Engineer Coco. Guys, all of you, you must do this course, you must be network engineers. Don't stop at IT Essentials. It's for beginners. The good IT guys. And you can go anywhere in this world, it's valid. And people know it. And you get a lot of money. If you want to get a lot of kids, then you're free to do so. Who else?
Thank you.
So you must memorize your number now because it's the same number that we do all the time. Okay, I think we are done for today.
Let me just put something there.
We are done for today. So next time we'll meet, it will be next week, Tuesday, 6 p.m. We'll do chapter 3 and chapter 4. So I wish you all the best. Study well. Any questions? Post in the WhatsApp group. And,
26. Did you put me in?
26. Sheriff.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Sorry, my brother Sheriff.
No problem, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you for.
Okay, thank you guys. Okay, then we are done for today. So I'll try to post the recording also for if you want to watch again.